stay to the right.
BMW M2 competition right here in Road America. So let's squeeze those brakes. Gently melt off right to the apex. Let's look ahead and put the car right under the diamond, right in the middle of the diamond. And we're going to brake in a straight line. Get ready, 3, 2, 1, brakes. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Melt off. Turn in right past the apex. Be gentle on the throttle. Gentle, gentle. Now you're on the gas. Right behind the rear tires on the Sargento truck. Come over to my side. That's it. And lift. Squeeze those brakes. Just guide the car through there. Nice and easy. Look all the way down. I'm looking at that pole I talked about all the way down. Get straight for the ball. And lift early. Squeeze those brakes in a straight line. Brakes, brakes. When the color changes, you turn. Wait for the color change. Turn in. Gently now. Gently add gas. Use the hill to help you slow down. Right in front of the bridge. Squeeze the brakes. Melt off. Turn in gently and let it come out to my side. Gentle on the gas, my side. Diagonal across. A little squeeze of the brakes. Turn in gently. Eyes all the way down. Look around the corner. All the way down. Start the fence. We'll be on the brakes. So brakes now. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Melt off. Turn in. And we're going to take it easy through the carousel. Go between the D and the V. And right there is good. Hold your speed. Hold it right there. Keep your hands still. Don't move your feet. Don't add gas. Don't add gas. Don't add gas. Easy. Slowly over to my side. And with your toes, think about it. Just gently, 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 ever so gently. Superb, Tom. Well done. Squeeze those brakes hard now. That was excellent. Slow in. Nice and easy. And then as straight as possible. Clip this apex, clip the next one. After the next one, the moment your hands are straight, we're on the brakes. So I'm going to clip this one on your side. The minute your hands get straight, we're on the brakes. Get those hands straight, hard brakes, hard brakes, hard brakes. That's it. Squeeze those brakes here. This is slow in. Turn in, let it come out, be gentle on the gas, it's slippery. Don't add too much gas. Easy, my side, easy, easy. Eyes on the apex. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Use as much track on the exit. Straight for that cone. Hard brakes on the way in. And take it easy. Let's cool the brakes down. We're not using the straightaway. Nice and easy. Well done, Tom.
Thank you.
Nice and smooth. You look very comfortable out there. Well done. We gotta find a way to get cool air from this car. There's gotta be a way to do it.
Yeah, it's a happy car.
See how it rewards smoothness?
It does.
You were very, very smooth, and the car liked it. Nicely done.